Whenever you are rushing to work or just strolling in town, you always come across street food like Rolex. We have smokies, eggs, and it takes around 1 to 2 minutes for the vendor to assemble all the ingredients. Now, when it comes to Rolex, the aroma is always so good while the vendor is preparing the Rolex, and it's made with the simplest of ingredients. Most of you are not huge fans of street food, but today I'm going to be showing you how you can make some Rolex at the comfort of your home, and it's going to take very few ingredients, and it's going to turn out mouth-watering delicious, and it's going to be perfect over a cup of tea, coffee, or even enjoy the Rolex as is. Rolex is the simplest recipe that you can try out within minutes. So you are going to need some leftover chapati. We have some red and green onion, tomato, coriander, cabbage, eggs, a couple of seasoning, that is salt and some pepper together with the seasoning cube. And I'm going to show you the OG omelette, which needs very minimal ingredients. So we're going to crack in 2 eggs into a bowl. Add in salt. Whisk in the eggs and place a pan over medium flame. Add in a tablespoon of cooking oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Once the pan is hot, you're going to add in your eggs. Cook your eggs for around 30 seconds to a minute, and it will be browned on the bottom side, and also the top is going to cook a little bit. And when it's looking just like this, you're going to place your chapati on top, move the egg around, flip. Hot. You can see how gorgeous the egg is looking. Flip once more. Once done. Gorgeous. This is to make sure the egg is fully cooked. Then I'm going to transfer to a plate. And immediately you're going to roll your chapati just like this. I'm going to cover with a kitchen towel so that I can make some more. For my second recipe, you're going to crack in 2 eggs into the same bowl. And now we're going to be adding in some more ingredients like onion. Lots of onions, tomatoes. Add in half a seasoning cube, which is going to add in so much flavor, and also it's going to add in salt into the omelette. Whisk in. Almost forgot adding in some coriander. And now for the second recipe, you're going to reduce the flames to low so that you can slowly cook your eggs. So I'm going to transfer into the pan. Cook for 30 seconds to a minute, or until the bottom has a lovely golden brown color. I'm going to crack in a little bit more chili. You're going to shake a little bit to make sure the egg is not stuck on the bottom of the pan. Or you can run your spatula around just like this. When the color is perfect, you're going to flip. Wow, just look at that side. Pick your chapati, place on top, move the egg around. Give your omelette about 30 seconds so that the other side can cook. Flip. Gorgeous. Then you're going to transfer to a plate. Immediately you're going to roll your chapati. Cover with a kitchen towel. For the last recipe, you're going to crack in 2 eggs. Add in lots of onions, tomatoes, a handful of cabbage, and add in coriander. Season with half a seasoning cube and a tiny pinch of salt. Add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Spread the oil around and add in your veggies together with the eggs. Make sure everything is perfectly seasoned. I'm going to use my fork and spread the eggs just like this. And over low flame, you're going to cook for around 30 seconds to a minute. Check to make sure the egg is not stuck on the bottom of the pan. Once ready, you're going to flip. Because we've added in cabbage, tomatoes, onions, the omelette is a little bit thick, so it's going to take a little bit of time to cook. So over low flame, just let the omelette cook until it's ready. So I'm going to use my spatula to make sure nothing is stuck on the bottom of the pan. And let me tell you, the aroma in the kitchen is so good. I'm salivating. Once ready, I'm going to flip once more. Place your chapati on top at this point. Move around a little bit. Use your spatula and flip. After flipping, you're going to cook your chapati for around 30 seconds. That is to warm up the chapati. And once ready, you're going to transfer to a plate. Now, I'm going to add in an extra ingredient, that is avocado, which is going to be very easy because the avocado is ripe. Slice. And roll. Make sure to tuck in the avocado. Just like that. And I'm ready to serve. Plate your Rolex in a gorgeous platter, and this is how I've presented mine. As you can see, this is the best looking Rolex, and it's super delicious because it has some avocado, of course. So I'm going to dig in. It's always the little things that excite me. Just having some avocado on the inside together with a few veggies is super exciting. So I'm going to dig it. Wow, this is a must try. The egg is well seasoned, the veggies are pliable, that is soft, and the avocado completes each bite.